Good morning! How are you today? What? You all are fine? Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. Have you taken a bath? Have you had your breakfast? Already? Wow, that's good. Then it means you all are ready to study with me. Now, let's study, okay? Today, we are going to work with the pre-reading kit T. T. Trumpet. Trumpet. Tiger. Tiger. Triangle. Triangle. Truck. Truck. Tag. Tag. Tomato. Tomato. Trumpet. Trumpet. Tiger. Tiger. Triangle. Triangle. Truck. Truck. Tag. Tag. Tomato. Tomato. Can you show me triangle? Triangle? Yes. Can you show me tag? Tag. Yes. Can you show me truck? Truck. Is it a truck? Truck. Yes. Can you show me trumpet? Trumpet. Yes. Can you show me tomato? Tomato. Yes. Can you show me tiger? Tiger. Yes.